What's up, folks? Chilling on a sunset, listening to the sounds of Alaska. Got a bush pilot coming in on us. We got the Alaska Railroad back there. Got a guy pulling up for air. You see the train running back there. Dude getting there. You wouldn't think Alaska would be this busy, would you? These guys must be following each other. I was going to just take a picture of or a small video of a quiet sunset. All of a sudden the sounds of Alaska lit up, man. Bush pilots, the Alaska Railroad, trucks, kids in the background, birds, ducks. See if you can spot all the sounds, man. Air pump going off. What up? Awesome stuff, right? Check it. Woo. That's an Alaska sunset, man. Right on. This spot right here used to be the old Alaska R&R laundromat. Used to belong to my adopted family, and the state bought out their property so they can build a Circle K on it, man. I say love, peace, hippie grease. Be cool, be kind, treat each other with kindness and respect. As always, don't be a dick. Rock on! Peace, folks.